Well, hello my friends, and welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to be introducing my new color, Steel Apple. And I was hoping to introduce 3 or 4 new colors. A brighter blue instead of the blackened blue, maybe a yellow pearl, an orange. More brighter colors into the line with the black carbon and the black and blue. But this came from a different distributor. I used the same bottling and labeling, but he had this pigment that I liked, so I went with this. So this one came separately. So I will be introducing a couple more new colors, plus even more colors coming very soon with my splash line. But because this one came in now, I figured I'd go ahead, we'll introduce it, and once I'm done with this video, I'll have it in stock at Gundam Pros ready to go. But yeah, it's a lacquer, it's airbrush ready to go, shake well, clean with lacquer thinner, and it doesn't need thinning, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to spray it over various different bases. Gloss black, this is from Tamiya. Matter of fact, I grabbed a bunch of Tamiya cans as I try to use up my different paints at different times. I haven't used these in a while. So we're going to try it over a blue, pink primer, red oxide primer. Oh yeah, it's some kind of semi-gloss. Look at that. Does it say that? It just says oxide red. All right. Doesn't matter. A flat red, and of course a flat black primer. And I put a little piece here from a Gundam kit. We'll see what it looks like over that. Now this is kind of transparent, a little semi-transparent. The more layers you put, the darker and deeper it's going to look. You can go with a quick coat and have a nice deep black look with a little bit of red flakes on it. You'll see as we go along, and I think maybe we'll try to put a clear coat and a flat coat over a couple of spoons, and we'll see what the result is of that. But anyway, that's all. We're going to go to the bench. We're going to go to the booth with my swallowtail. This is my 2.8 size needle, and I just use a smaller one. You can airbrush this no problem all the way up to a 0.5 without any worries at all. I'm going to keep the air pressure around 15 to 20 psi. And that's it. We're going to put some light coats on. It dries really quickly, very quickly. Probably by the time you get back to the bench, you can handle it without getting a fingerprint on it. So there's that. Anyway, let's head over to the booth now. And let's spray these samples and go over this color quickly so you guys can check it out and pick up a bottle for yourself. But right now, let's head over to the Pace spray booth, which is that way. All right, here we are at the booth. I shook it up and put it directly into the airbrush. Let's get this out of camera shot so the camera focuses. There we go. We are at 15 psi. We're going to go sweeping across here. Beautiful color. You can already see the red shading on it. As I said, you can just stop right here, get that nocturne red look that I have on my other paint. Look at that. That is awesome. Now this dries quickly. You could probably put all your layers on like I am right now. Just come in a little closer. I'm going to go a little slower. And that's it. There's our color. It is just a beautiful red. All right, we'll put that in the dehydrator. All right, let's check it out over some different colors here. Let's make sure this is dust free. I don't know what this is going to look like. I'm getting a red hue already, almost color shift like. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Obviously we're going to get a purple hue here, right? Really nice. So you think about it, just painting your bases different colors, you're going to get several options of color choices here. That is awesome. All right, let's let that dry. All right, let's try it on this Gunpla piece. Now this is a matte base. We're probably going to get, I believe, a matte kind of finish to the color. More like a Sinaju, or is that the kit, the red Gunpla kit? Not a Zaku, I think it's the... Well, maybe it's not Sinaju. Look at that. Beautiful. It just lays down really nice. It's a great spraying paint. Look at that. Oh, man, that is nice. All right, let me get this out of the way. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm right behind you. All right, let's try it over red. Again, this is kind of different. I don't know what I'm going to get here. Probably just a more intense red. All right. All right, so we're kind of getting the flake look here. Oh, not too bad. Like I said, completely different look. Put that aside. All right, here we go. Here's an experiment over pink. Well, I'm not seeing anything yet here. All right, let me fill it back up again. I need a little bit more in the cup here. Hold on, guys. There we go. You see, it's so transparent. We're getting more pink than anything. However, it's starting to come through. It's starting to get a look to it. Lighting is tough, too. It's going to look different in your house than mine. I mean, the lighting really does change everything. So hopefully at the bench, we can get a good look at that. Let's try it over the oxide red. Again, I could do this all day with every color. I just want to go show you guys the variety you guys are going to get using different bases. This is almost that root beer brown color. Beautiful, actually. Look at that. It looks rough, but it's not. It must be the flakes. It'll level off once it's dry, too. I believe that's it. We have the flat black spoon, so I might as well... Maybe I'll go ahead and do this one light so you guys can see what it looks like. You know, with just a light coat. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, I'm going to go a little, just like that, like light. I'm not going to go close and get it that heavy coat. So, yeah, we'll let this sit. Let me clean out the brush. I'll meet you back at the bench, and I think we'll try a little clear and a little matte coat on top of a couple and see the result we get there too. So let me meet you back at the bench. All right, back at the bench. Results are awesome. We'll start with what I consider be the standard look of it, and that's over gloss black. This is a gloss black spoon, and I'm going to show it to you over with the gloss coat on top. It is a beautiful color. Got a little dust in it. Where the hell did I get that dust from? Sorry, guys. Anyway, here it is with the gloss. I used Mr. Super Clear just to do it quickly. Check that out. It does add another layer of shine to it for sure. Okay, and this is it with Mr. Super Clear Flat, or I should say matte. Look at that. Turned it into a real anodized look, above and beyond over the flat black primer, which I'll show you in a second. Two completely different looks. And here it is, the gloss and the matte. Sazabi was the kit I was thinking of. The mobile suit, the Sazabi. Anyway, here it is over matte black with no clear on it. It's a beautiful finish. It just sprays so evenly. It dries quickly. All right, let's go across the board. I have a couple other surprises here too. This is over the red, which I didn't have here on the can. So it gives it a nice pearl red look, metallic look. The flakes aren't too big, so it'll look good on a kit car. This is over blue. Give it a little, look at that, a purple, almost a color shift. That is pretty nice. I like that. Here's the starting blue, and here's what we ended up with. Pretty cool. Over pink, the pink primer. Again, it just gave it a flake, because I said it's almost translucent. It's in layering where you start to pull through the red. This is over the oxide red primer. This is kind of cool, though. This is pretty nice. This is it's almost a light brown metallic. You can see the nice gold flakes in it right there. That came out pretty nice, too. over flat black. I use my aqueous black surfacer, and there you go. Almost. Oh, not quite, huh? It really lightened it up when I put the flat on it, whereas this is it. Yeah, this matches the piece. It has its own look over flat black. It looks rough, but it actually isn't. You guys, when you get it in person, you'll see what I mean. It looks rough, but I think it's the lighting. It's not rough. It's quite smooth. And here's a couple of side items I did it on. I showed you the red. This is white, and I did a lot of layering, so it's almost close to the pink. Yeah, just a little deeper. That's over white, and this is over orange. You can see the orange right here. And that's a pretty cool look, too. Almost with the oxide. Nah, a little lighter. A little duller, too. Yeah, actually, this had a shiny look to it, didn't it? And you can see the difference when you put it on a shine base, a glossy base, or a flat base. For sure. You get that dull look right off the bat. But anyway, that is it. It's a great color. I liked, when they sent me the pigments, I liked them right away. And I knew I was going to make a color out of it. Red is a great color across the board. Like I said, over different bases, you're going to get different uses. So, yeah, these are in stock right now as we speak. I'll put the link below. My buddies at Gundam Pros, I sent them a case. They got about 80. I believe we're going to sell them right away. And because of that, I told the guys I'm probably going to need another reorder of at least 40. I put limited color on these because the company is doing me a favor and doing these short orders. And at some point, they're going to be busy, and they're not going to be able to, redo these for me, at least for a while. So that's why I put limited. I'm not trying to rush you guys into buying them. Sometimes when it's not going to be in stock for a while, that's the reason, is because I personally can't get the paint made for me. So anyway, there you go. I have three more colors coming soon, 2 or 3 in this line. And let me reach up here. In my splash line, I have new paints coming also very soon. Very excited for that, too. You guys are going to love those, too. So we're doing a lot of colors for you guys. Some stuff I'm excited about quite a bit, including these colors here and the splash line. Very excited to show you guys. Anyway, guys, that is the video. Please like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. We do 2 videos a week, and we have been for the better part of a few years now, about 4 years. And we're trying to get our numbers up to 100,000 subscribers. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And once we hit that 100th, we're going to do a massive giveaway. I'm talking everything. Airbrush, compressor, spray booth, set of paints, kits. It's going to be a massive giveaway and a celebration when we hit that 100th. It will happen. It's a slow ride, but we only need about 3,000 more. So tell your friends. Let's get those numbers up. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. That is the video. I hope you like the color. Go pick some up, and we have more to come. Anyway, man, you guys are also the best. I love you guys. And I thank you for supporting the channel. Anyway, have a great rest of your week. We will see you in the next video. God bless you all, and have a great day.